Leopards attacking crocodiles is rare and usually happens in specific circumstances. Here's why. Number 1. Opportunity. Leopards might attack a crocodile if it's young, injured, or weakened. This presents an opportunity for the leopard to take advantage of a vulnerable prey. Number 2. Competition. In areas where leopards and crocodiles share territory, they might compete for resources like food and water. If a leopard sees a crocodile as a threat to its own survival, it might attack. Number 3. Defensive. A leopard might defend its territory or young by attacking a crocodile that enters its space. It's important to remember that leopards are not natural predators of crocodiles, and these attacks are usually driven by specific circumstances rather than a consistent hunting strategy.